Alright, I got a roof rack, some crossbars for Christmas, and I went to install it, and the roof rails are closed off. So I thought I'd make a video to explain what to do. So this is a 2017 Ridgeline, and if you have the roof rails, you have this little Torx bolt right here. Sorry, I'm in my garage. So you take that out, and then you use a screwdriver to pry this off from the back. It'll pop right out, and it looks like this. So these crossbars came assembled. I'm going to show you what to do if they do not. It's important to mention that the crossbars have an L on the left and an R on the right. So this needs to go on the right, facing the back, looking at the back of the truck. Right, left, not from the front. So this, you would put this in this little hole right here, and then this little bolt here screws in this hole. So this little screw here takes a Torx 10 Torx drive. You back that out, put it somewhere safe. So you feed your crossbar into your roof rail, and you push forward. You kind of try to do both sides at the same time, and then it should slide freely. You put it in the positioning you want. I'm going to put mine all the way to the front to make a wider roof rack. And then righty-tighty, tighten these little... The crossbars came with these little Torx screws, and they go in this little hole right here in the rear of the roof rail. Right there. So you slide these covers back on in reverse of how you took them off. Make sure they get up under there. Punch it down. And then don't forget to install the Torx screw again. And we're going to do the same to this side.